Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and these are some new treasures coming in from crafty friends Jennifer Lance and Leslie Pico. This is the Valentine's banner swap that was hosted by Brittanee of BB's Crafts, and I'm super excited to open this. Okay. How are you? I hope everyone is well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. And let's get into this fun swap. Right off of the bat, here's a pin. Thank you, Jennifer. Oh my goodness. I always forget to make a pin or, to send a pin. And I actually have stuff to send, so I really appreciate it. Everyone's super inspiring when they do this, and thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. I have not received a white pen yet, so this is fun. My collection is growing of pens. I do love pens. Oh my gosh, look at the gumball beads. Bumball. Can I trademark that? Because that's that's my brain. Bumball. Oh, so cute. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then here we have this one. And Brittanee did this tutorial, so if you guys want to do a mini banner swap, head over and check out her tutorial. Oh my gosh, she made shakers. Super cute. This is going to be a cute embellishment. Oh my gosh, and then she made these. Oh, adorbs. Love, love, love. Oh, and there's even a love in there. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. Love the paper. Oh my gosh, look, and she made foam hearts. Oh my gosh. Challenged. She made foam hearts. And she used some beautiful gold flat bags and a little doily and one of those cute little picks with it looks like a heart. Oh my gosh, it is a heart. And then she drew on the little stitch marks. And then there's there's a little bit of gorgeous ribbon right here, organza ribbon. Oh my goodness. And then we have this one here with another cute little like heart doily, and then it feels almost like it is a wood chipboard piece. Beautiful red vintage looking flower and an adorable little red satin bow, and look at this red satin heart trim. I'm not sure which collection this is that she used. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous bows. Thank you so much for making bows. There's this one. And this one. Gorgeous bows. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous bows. Fun swap. Oh my gosh. And I've got a whole banner I get to put together. And then here is this one. How cute, with the little red wagon and a basket full of hearts. She says hugs over here with a little banner, like a sentiment there. And is that a chipboard? It feels like a little chipboard heart. And then this beautiful little filigreed outlined die cut heart with two little dots, and those could be like pop dots. Super cute. And inside a little Nomi. Oh my gosh, she made twinchies. Super cute. Oh my goodness, these are fabulous. Wow. Wow. Jennifer, I love these. Thank you so much. Ah! How cute. Little windows, like, little pictures. Oh my gosh, I love that. Super cute. Little shaker twinchies. Ah, and the little Nomi. Oh my goodness. Adorbs. Love, love, love it. And then, so this one, okay. And then this one is from Leslie Pico. Wow, gorgeous packaging with all of the shred. Oh my goodness. Good thing the boys are napping right now. Gotta hurry up and get this shred put away. Ah, she used the little KF, or the KF's Crafts, like Sanrio style bows, and she did the large die. It's 5 or 6 different size bows. Oh, I love this really, really, really pretty pale pink basket fill. So shabby. Love it. Very, very pale pink. Oh my goodness. And I see tulle. Oh, and you have that cool die. I don't have that die. I want to say that could even be a Nicole Silhouette die. But anyway, I digress and get back to the actual swap. Look at the Be Mine, Adore, and XOXO. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I love how you boxed these up. Okay, in here. Oh my goodness. What do we, wow, candy! Yay! Oh my gosh, gorgeous rosette. Oh, that's, oh, these are beautiful. Very pretty. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Wow. You found the perfect size embellishments. And there's more candy. Oh, wow. And look at this. How cute. Oh my gosh. That is a perfect way to share some little beads and embellishments. Teeny, teeny, tiny. Super cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is this? And an embellished. Oh, she made a dangle on a paper clip. Oh my gosh. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, thank you very much. And then in this one here. Oh! Flowers, flowers, and more flowers. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I love that. Thank you for all the flowers, Leslie. Fantastic. I love it. I'm going to leave them in there because I don't want to lose them. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be hitting these swaps up heavy. Heavy. Super, super cute. Thank you so much, Brittanee, for hosting another fabulous swap. Mini banner swap tutorial. Head over to Brittanee's. She has the tutorial for this banner. Thank you so much for watching. And again, this is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind. And these are my new treasures. Oh my gosh. Love. Be safe, be kind, and bye for now.